All right, I'm going to show you guys my Saturday afternoon. Dropped off this nice passenger, very nice tip, and immediately started getting pings. This one is just too far north. Really don't want to go up that way. Took a screenshot. I forgot I was screen recording. Nature hike. Now they start threatening. This one is too far for the fare. It's not going to do that. 35 an hour, too much traffic. No. Another threat. Now I'm in the back of the line. I'm in timeout. But it doesn't last long. 35 an hour. I thought about this one because I like the destination. It's very busy over there. But I'm like, if I'm going to deal with airport traffic, I want a better ride out of there. So we're just sitting here wasting time, declining. I call it cherry picking. It's a good drop-off location, but too much traffic. And we get another one again, too much traffic for that money. Timeout again, or a threat. Way too far for the money. Salem, cool town, but no. Now this one, they're gonna give me priority access. I took a screenshot of that again. Traffic, too much at the time. Another threat. Okay, this is not bad money, but you only got a 50-50 shot of getting a ride back on a Saturday afternoon. Could happen, but I don't gamble, so it's a no for me. This one, again, 35 an hour. I know my market can give more. I'm going to lose my spot. If I do, so be it. Heck no. Swampscott. Nature hike. Okay, but I know we can do better. 35 an hour. Again, we can do better. They're going to give me priority queue access again. Not interested. No way. Too much traffic to Brighton. Traffic's so bad right now there. I'm not going to take that one. Again, traffic. Cambridge is a disaster. Worse traffic. That's actually not a bad one there. There you go. That's the one. 83 an hour. Wonderful people. Nice conversation. In the drop location, had a Panera and a supercharger. What more could I want?